God, it's a big one. Okay, don't turn, Blair. Wait up. Okay, turn. Okay.
Come on.
Okay, turn. Okay, stop.
It's almost here.
I know, it's almost here. It's a 100-pounder, Blair.
God, I need help.
Lay down. Lay down.
Finish him. I'm gonna make you a killer. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Now wind. Now stop. Wind. Turn. Okay, stop. Wind, Blair. Okay, good job. Oh my God, this is a slob, guys. This is probably a 150-pound fish.
Yeah.
I can't even.
I'm not even 150 pounds.
I know.
Hey Blair, if you get this thing on the boat, you caught bigger tunas than me, Bryce.
Wind. Turn fast. Okay, now stop. Okay, now turn fast. Now stop. Okay. Turn fast. Now stop. Turn fast. Now stop. Okay, now turn fast. Fast. Stop. Okay, stop. Okay, grab fast.
He's trying to get loose.
I know. No, it's okay. You got him. Okay. Ready? He's almost here. Wind. Now stop. Okay. Wind. Stop. 2 gaps. Wind. Stop. 2 gaps, guys. 2 gaps. Wind. Stop. Okay. Wind. Stop. Wind. Girlfriend. Yeah, Blair. Look what you did.
Back up.
Look what you did.
Holy
shit. Oh my God, Blair. Oh my God. Look at that 100-pounder. Oh my God. Yeah. That's the best fish this boat has ever caught.
Blair.
That's so awesome.
Let's fucking go.
100-pounder. 100-pounder.